Basil seeds are popularly used in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine and have many more health benefits that you may have not known. Here are some basil seeds benefits. 1. Helps in weight loss. Basil seeds are known to be rich in alpha-linolenic acid (ALA), which comes from high levels of omega-3 fatty acids present in the seeds. These acids help in boosting the fat-burning metabolism in the body. It is also full of fiber, so keeps your stomach satisfied for longer and prevents unwanted cravings. You can add it to a bowl of yogurt or sprinkle some in a fruit salad as a pre-meal snack to control appetite. 2. Reduces body heat. In some Asian countries like Thailand, basil seeds are used to make a drink along with water, sugar, honey and sometimes coconut milk. It is a great drink to sip on to beat the scorching summer heat. They are one of the best body coolants. 3. Controls blood sugar levels. Basil seeds are considered to be good for type 2 diabetics as it is known to keep a check on blood sugar levels. They slow down the metabolism of your body and thus controls the conversion of carbohydrates into glucose. You could simply mix soaked basil seeds in a glass of milk and have it for breakfast. 4. Relieves constipation and bloating. Basil seeds are known to naturally detox your body and regulate smooth bowel movements. What really works is having a glass of milk with some sabja seeds before going to bed for a couple of days. 5. For healthy skin and hair. Basil seeds crushed into coconut oil and applied on affected areas help in treating several skin infections like eczema and psoriasis. Crush the seeds, without soaking it, in a cup of coconut oil and warm it for a few minutes before using.